and we're going to come back to you as we wrap up markets. So 115 points higher on the Nifty. Nifty Bank ending higher, largely led by the private bank pack. Healthcare, pharma are two areas which participated in the upside if you want to look at sectors. What did poorly was FMCG as a space and the IT services index, which was also lower. And having said all of this, of course, market breadth left a lot to be desired. On my screen, 1,800 stocks were higher and about 1,100 stocks, 1,800 stocks were lower and about 1,100 stocks ending the day in the green. So that's the overall picture. A lot of names on the downside, but actually, one caveat is that volumes, if you really want to look at it, I think it generally also maybe a little low volume day. We'll get the numbers and compare it with the average. But in terms of volumes, what we saw, bulk of the volumes on stocks which were higher, even as advanced decline was negative. What was down didn't have too much by way of volume. Maybe just the top 5-6 names had volume. After that, lots of names lower, but on pretty very, very thinly traded in that sense, which was not the case on stocks which were higher. So here, much longer, 15, 20, 25 names with 5, 6, 10% gains with decent sized volumes as well. So that's the overall kind of take. But of course, lot moved, Rima.
Indeed. So just on the way down, you had stocks like MobiKwik, IKS, where the lock-in ended, and these stocks got hit very hard. MobiKwik ending with a cut of about 8.5%. IKS down 10%. Ola Electric, negative news, subsidiary being taken to the NCLT. So that is under pressure. On the way up, you had strength in a couple of these financial names. So Karur Vysya Bank in the mid-cap banking space had a gain of more than about 5.5%. KC International, the order win boosting the prospect. And Samhi Hotels makes it on the price and volume charts. And Pharma on the whole also had a pretty good day with names like Dr. Reddy's, Cipla, Sun Pharma ending higher. That brings us to a close on this show, but don't go anywhere. On the other side is Markets Forward.